Want to go viral on YouTube Shorts without editing a single video yourself? These AI tools to do all the work, and it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm showing you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to go from idea, script, voiceover, visuals, upload using only AI. Perfect for beginners, creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to grow fast with short-form content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump in. Choose your niche and idea with AI. First, we need an idea, and AI can help you a lot. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate content ideas. Prompt example: give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas for a tech channel, or give me trending short video topics in the motivation niche. Output examples: top 3 AI tools that feel like magic. 1 tip to wake up early every day. What if the moon disappeared? Once you have picked your topic, we move on the scripting. Write the script with AI. Now we need a short and hooky script, and again AI has us covered. Use ChatGPT to write a 30 to 60 second short script. Prompt: write a 55 seconds script in a storytelling tone for a YouTube short title. This AI can make you money in minutes. Edit slightly for flow if needed. Keep it hook first 3 seconds. Setup, punchline or twist, CTA. Now let's give a short a voice. AI voiceover in seconds. Next, voiceover time, but no mic, no voice, no problem. Use free AI voice tools like 11 Labs, TTS.mp3, PlayHT, Narrowkit. Upload your script, choose a voice style, male or female, expressive, casual, and download the voiceover file. Now you have got a human sounding voiceover without saying a single word. Create video with AI tools. Time to turn your script and audio into a real YouTube short, all with free AI video tools. Use Canva. Create vertical 1080 into 1920 video. Add text, animations, stock footage. Upload voiceover. Add music from Canva's free library. Use Pictory.ai. Paste your script. Pictory auto-generates stock visuals. Sync with your voice. Add captions with one click. In just 10 minutes, you have got a complete short with voice, visuals, captions, hook. Now you are almost ready to go viral. Thumbnail plus title using AI. Even shorts need scroll stopping titles and thumbnails sometimes. Use AI to generate a title. Prompt: write 5 viral YouTube Shorts titles about how to use AI for passive income. Examples: this AI tool prints your money. Passive income hack no one told you. Use this app equal earn while you sleep. Optional thumbnail. Use Canva AI or Ideogram AI. Add bold text, emoji, face reaction or icon. Now you have got everything: title, voice, visuals and script, all built by AI. Upload and optimize. Final step: upload and optimize your short. Upload to YouTube, select shorts format. Title: use viral style. Description: 2 lines of summary plus hashtags. Tags: use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for help. Add hashtag shorts plus 2 niche specific hashtags. Choose a great thumbnail if YouTube lets you. And boom, your AI powered YouTube Shorts is live. So there you have it, a complete YouTube short made with zero filming, zero mic and zero editing skills, all powered by AI. Let me know in the comments what kind of shorts do you want to make with AI. Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, content hacks and creator tools. Hit the bell so you don't miss what's next, because this is just the beginning.